Yesterday, April 19th, marked 17 years. 17 years since my Army career ended very abruptly in just the blink of an eye. Now, I had a wife, 2 kids. They were both under the age of 2, and in one moment, the career I built in uniform was just gone. That's not something you move on from. That's something you have to take the strength and rebuild from. So I rebuilt, rehabbed after my surgeries on active duty, was able to go back into healthcare as a paramedic, move my career forward in healthcare as a registered nurse, worked as a nurse manager and a registered nurse in COVID ICUs, rural hospitals, flight nursing, spending years in places and rooms where most people would never want to be, holding the line when everything's falling apart. And I asked my fellow veterans, sound familiar? This is all we know how to do. Something kept pulling at me. I got my real estate license, and then I watched something happen to one of my clients that I just couldn't walk away from. So these folks were partnered with a lender. He put them into a loan program that they would never qualify for, didn't understand his job, and more importantly, when he was called out on the carpet because of the mistakes he made, resulting in a rate increase for the clients, he got defensive and blamed it on everybody else. I knew exactly that day what kind of lender I was going to be. In every room I've ever been in, whether it be in the ICU, the Army, the battlefield, the flight line, the person who shows up, stays consistent, does the work, pays attention to detail, and owns the outcome, whether it's good or bad, is the person that changes lives, and that's the only kind of loan officer that I'm interested in being. In case you don't know me or haven't followed me before, my name is Messina. I'm an Army combat veteran, former ICU and ER nurse and nurse manager, VA loan specialist, and home loan solution specialist. If you want someone who shows up, does the work, and owns every single outcome, DM me the word home, and let's have a conversation.